Hello everyone, my name is James Antonio Vista, 18 years old, and welcome to my presentation. Today, I'm going to talk about the strategies I use in my e-business, all based on three important themes like personalized, immersive, and sustainable. These three ideas are the heart of my business to help me connect better with customers, give them a great experience, and protect the environment at the same time. So, what is my e-business? Let me introduce my e-business. It's called EcoBlend, an online store that sells personalized skincare products made from natural and eco-friendly ingredients. What makes EcoBlend special? So we create skincare that fits each person needs. We use modern tools like quizzes, AI, and virtual try-ons to help people find what best for their skins. And most importantly, we do it all while being kind to the planet. So next page. What is I mean personalized strategy? So what is personalization? Personalization means making the experience unique for each customer. So here how we do it. Number one is skin quiz. Customers answer a few simple questions about their skin, and we use that information to recommend the perfect product for them. And number two is smart suggestion. Our website shows different products, articles, and offers based on based on each customer's behavior and preference. Number three is customized packaging. So in customized packaging, even the scent and texture of the product can be adjusted based on what the customer likes. So next page. So we have a personalized marketing. So have a personalized uh, we also personalize our marketing, like our email, ads, and messages automatically adjust based on what each customers browse or buys. For example, um, if someone frequently looks at moisturizer, we show them personalized skincare skincare tips and the latest moisturizer deals. This kind of target experience helps customers feel seen and understood, which build trust and leads to more sales. And next slide. Immersive strategy. What is immersion? So, immersion means making the customers feels involved and engage. We want shopping on EcoBlend to be more than just buying. It should feel exciting and interactive. So here how we do it. AR try-ons. Customers can use their phone cameras to try on products before buying. They see how creams or serums might look like on their skin in real time. So next is live events. We host live online sessions with skincare experts. People can ask questions and learn directly from professionals. So, gamified rewards. Customers customer earn eco points when they buy right review, when they buy and write review or recycle bottles. These points give the discounts and badge. It's fun and riding. So next slide is sustainable strategy. Why sustainability matters? Sustainability means thinking about the future of our planet. We want our business to help the environment, not harm it. Here's how we do it. So, eco-friendly ingredients. We work with small farmers who grows plant without harmful chemicals. Next is recyclable packaging. Our bottles and boxes can be reused or recycled. We even offers refills. And next is return for reward. Customer can return used containers and earn eco points. This encourage zero waste. Next slide is transparency matters. So we also release an annual report to show how much water and energy we use, how much waste we reduce, and how we support local communities. Being honest builds trust and show that we're truly committed to sustainability. Next slide. Results and success. Because of these strategies, we achieve a 48% increase in repeat customers. This is only I mean for the for to show in my presentation. Repeat customers. A 22% growth in average order size, and over half of our new customer came from referrals. Driven by shared values and trust in our land, these results will prove that when a business focuses on people and the planet, success naturally follows. Yeah. So what's next? So we're planning exciting things for the future, like a monthly subscription box with personalized skincare, more advanced AR features, a mobile app for faster access and easier tracking, partnering with environmental groups to plant trees for every purchase. We want to keep improving and making a difference. So to end this presentation, running a modern business means more than just selling online. It means building relationships, creating amazing experience, and being responsible for our impact on the world. By being personalized, immersive, and sustainable, we're not just growing a brand, we're building something meaningful. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.